These dogs have got cheered up by the coolness of this place because outside it's quite hot this year. Both of them actually have some rivalry, these females. Then I'll just have a general, I'm going to do a few videos of this property. Now that I met the owner and got his permission and all. And these ferns are really beauty, absolutely nice. Hey, go that side, go that side. Go. This is quite a common fern that's there on the roadsides and all. This one is rather uncommon and very beautiful, and if I succeed in growing in the garden, then in pots and all, then I will be making it available for people who want to buy and collect and save these plants. It's a very pretty fern. That's the edge. This is one of the Commelina that is the pointy leaves that particularly does well in the heavy shade. I've seen it in other arecanut farms in the valley bottom and all also. This grass also, I haven't done a separate video, I have to do one now. This is another shade loving grass I found. It's very nice. It has large leaves. It's a perennial also. And there you can see the Vedalia, very pretty, but not in India. In its own country, in South America or somewhere, it's an appropriate species. So, however pretty it looks, it's causing deadly damage. Then this Alternanthera ficoides. That Alternanthera sessile I didn't see here so far. But this is a kind of place where it does occur.